How to contact supplier on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys can contact supplier on AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Open up AliExpress. After you do that, log in into your account. Search for the supplier that you want. That I want to find at the watches supplier. I'll open up the watch product. Scroll down. And there you'll find the supplying this very product. Tap on visit store. After you do that, there you will find contact on the bottom right corner. Tap on contact and I can start chatting with that. And they will reply back to you after some time. But yeah, this is how you can contact supplier on AliExpress. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.